Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice hotel style. Start with day-old rice, very hot pan, and a neutral oil to prevent sticking. Keep ingredients cold and ready to move, and cook proteins first, then vegetables. Scramble eggs to one side, add rice, then season with soy, oyster sauce, and a splash of sesame oil for aroma and balance. Begin by measuring soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a bit of dark soy for color, then whisk them together and set aside. Dice carrots, onions, and scallions evenly, and cube or shred your protein of choice so it cooks fast. Keep beaten eggs chilled until use, and toss rice apart with a fork so each grain separates before it hits the pan. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful cooking guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for kitchen timers, hands-free music, and clear voice recipes while you cook. It's small, sounds great, and fits on any counter without taking up space. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat the wok until shimmering and briefly smoking, then swirl in oil and toss in aromatics for a quick bloom of flavor. Cook proteins until nearly done and remove briefly so vegetables can hit the hottest surface and sear. Return everything together, add rice and sauce, toss vigorously for even coating, and finish with sesame oil and scallions to lift the whole dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.